Okay. Here's my thing, right? And it doesn't. Oh, now it does. But okay. See that's what's tricky. If I hold down the button. Okay, here we go. Look, I promise there's the button over there. My thing is in the car. I don't know if you can see it. No. Okay, now I'll unlock my car. But if I hold it down and then let go. Are you kidding me? Okay. And I stopped it. Okay. Hold it. Let go. Okay. This is just too. And it won't unlock my car. Unlock. Okay. Yeah. Now I close it. All right. What? This is just too good. Well, here, I can go around this way. Somehow my key fob, I guess, has the code for my garage. Okay, and there's my garage opener right there in the visor. Let's see if it happens again. Unlock. Okay. Here we go, ready? Click. Hold it for a few seconds, then Okay, that's too funny, really, to say anything else about. Who knows what the heck is up with that? And done.